So it's not every day you get to see Martin Luther King, is it? Let's walk under the historical arch. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to Newcastle University. That's a nice view. How cool is that? So that is Northumberland Street right down there. That is the main high street in Newcastle. This is the city centre. There's a church. There's the Haymarket metro station. Traffic coming down here. Let's go for a wander. So there's a pub here. If you fancy a pint or some British pub food, little cafe there. You don't have to worry because there's many cafes in Newcastle. Lots of very good ones actually. Blackwell's, a famous bookshop, has many accessories in there that you may need for studying also. That's a nice little area to relax there. What a beautiful view. So as you can see, directly down there, that is Northumberland Street. And this is where we've came from. And here is Newcastle University. So this is King's Walk, and that's King's Gate. Again, there's a nice coffee shop called The Grand. And here is the steps. Some beautiful flowers there, nice little flower bed going on. Nice vivid colours. There's the northern stage. This university right here has so much history. It's a beautiful university. And I believe, if I am correct, that this building right here has the most history out of the whole university. This, I believe, has been there from the very beginning of the university being structured. There's a cafe bar, which is open daily. There is the clock. Look at the details that's gone into that. Look at the top of that. And again, you can just see the history oozing from this university. I mean, look at that above the door. Just see the history. So that's a co-op right there, which is handy if you need any bits and bobs. Okay, let's get back on track. Some unique design going on here with this rail. There's some directions to this place. Okay, let's walk under the historical arch. Again, look at all the detail in that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a nice sunny day today. There's a big chimney, look at that. They don't make them like that anymore, do they? And in here is an exhibition. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, you could always check this place out. Shall we have a little peek? Let's have a little peek. Smells nice in here. Reminds me of when I was a kid. Just can't place the smell. This one's been beheaded. So this was lottery funded. So the entrance to gallery down here. Don't know if we should go in. The Hatton Gallery, very famous up here. There you are. Some creaky floorboards. Don't know what those are supposed to be. Mental health, very important. Hello. Which way is the entrance? Is it down there?
To the exhibition.
Yeah.
It's closed.
Oh, is it closed?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Closed on Friday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Typical.
sorry.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Well, we did try. Never mind. It wasn't part of the plan anyways, was it? Let's continue our adventure of Newcastle Uni. Look how old these buildings are. Let's walk the grounds. So yeah, if you are planning on coming to this university, I mean, just look at how beautiful this place is. Stunning, stunning place. We've got a nice little garden going on here as well. Architecture building. It's nice and relaxing around here, you know. Nice and relaxing.
I was just saying no.
And down there is the Percy Building. So let's turn around. Just look at that, stunning. Reminds me of Harry Potter, Hogwarts or something. Now usually I'm not a big fan of flowers, but these are beautiful, really. It's not often that I say that, but I'm captivated by the beauty of the gardens around here. I really am. Stunning. It's a nice tree. Oh, I can see a chicken shack. What kind of art is this? Let's take a look. Very unique looking. There's another one. Who's this supposed to be? I think it's just some random person because there's no plaque here. If there is, I can't see one. The boiler house. Main entrance. Just look at the beauty of this place. Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Here's the grounds. Nice place to chill out and relax. Do some reading, do some eating, some munching. Hello, little birdie. There's a fellow uni student right there. This is the Armstrong Building. And again, look at the beauty, look at the detail of this historical building right here. Just think of all the people who came here to study. And if I'm correct, this is Martin Luther King, because I believe he did come here. And I don't mean study here, he actually came here for some speech, some special speech. And I believe he got some kind of honor here as well. So it's not every day you get to see Martin Luther King, is it? You can see there's a sign pointing to the music area in there. We won't go any further inside there, but again, just look at the details, look at the details, look at the details. Very, very nice. So this is definitely a good choice to consider if you are looking for a university. And no, I was not paid to say that before people assume things. Hello. Wasn't very friendly, was she? Wasn't very talkative. In British culture, we are usually not talkative, well, we can be, but we're masters of small talk. And she did not seem too impressed. Each to our own, each to our own. I suppose you don't know what people are going through. So perfect for some lunch or some breakfast. Nice place to chill down there. Luther's Students' Union Bar. This almost looks like Cadbury's World. That's what it reminds me of anyways, because they've got a big chimney just like that, exactly the same. Whew. So we are coming up to the Hadrian Building now, and I believe we are almost at the end of our little tour of Newcastle University. Hadrian Building, there you go. Formerly King's Road Centre. Bedson Building, and here is some different signs. Another signpost. As you can see, there's some more buildings down here. It's a very big university, this, but it's nothing that you have to be intimidated by. When I say it's very big, I mean it's like almost a small city, if you get what I mean. It's very compact, very close together. Once you know where you are, you don't have to worry. There's Bedson Building down there. King George Building. Don't know how many King George buildings they have around here, but let's go this way. Brewery Lane. And this here, I believe, is a mosque. I believe it's the University Mosque. Look at this street right here. This is actually a beautiful, beautiful street. Look how beautiful this street is. Looks just like London. Well, when I say London, I mean the good part. If you enjoyed this short little video, I don't know if it was that short, but if you enjoyed this video of a little tour around Newcastle University here in the northeast, Newcastle upon Tyne, then don't forget, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos on my channel for further content just like this. In the meantime, thanks for watching.